Dear kids, do you feel difficult to remember shapes? Then let's join us. We will learn 10 different shapes.
Square, circle, rectangle, triangle, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, star, heart, and crescent. These are our shapes which we will learn today.
Our first shape is square and it has 4 sides. All of the sides are equal. Fatma, can you help us to find a square shape in this room? Come and search with us.
Let me try. Yes, I found it. It is window and it is square shape.
Fatma, which shapes are these?
Yes, I know these are square shapes.
Good. And our next shape is circle. It's round from all sides. Now let's check that which of the shape in our home or room is like circle. Fatma, can you help us to find a circle shape in this room?
Yes, let me try. Yes, I have found it. It is the wall clock. It is the round like circle.
Good. And which shapes are these?
These are circle shapes.
Very good. And our next shape is rectangle. It has 4 sides. 2 are small and 2 are long sides. Let's check whether Fatma could remember it or not. Fatma, can you help us to find a rectangle in this room?
Yes, let me try. Yes, I think I have found the rectangle. It is the door like the rectangle.
Good. Fatma, which shapes are these?
These are rectangle shapes.
Good. And our next shape is triangle. It has 3 sides. Now let's check it in your room that whether you can find it in your room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find triangle?
Yes, let me try. Here it is. I found it. It is the hanging rope which is making triangle.
Fatma, can you tell me that which shapes are these?
Yes, these are triangle shapes.
Yes, good. Let's learn about our next shape and which is heart. Fatma, can you help us to find a heart shape in this room?
Yes, let me try. I think I have found it. It is the same which is heart shape.
Good. And our next shape is diamond shape. It has 4 sides. Now let's check that whether Fatma could find a diamond shape in this room. Fatma, could you help us to find a diamond shape?
Yes, let me try.
Kite.
It is the hanging kite, which is diamond shape.
Okay, then Fatma, which shapes are these?
These are diamond shaped.
Our next shape is star. Now let's check that whether Fatma could find star shape in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find a star shape in this room?
Yes, let me try. Yes, I found it. It is the star outside the window.
Good. And our next shape is oval. This oval shape. Now let's check that Fatma could find the oval shape in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find oval shape in this room?
Yes, me try. Yes, I found it. It is the oval shaped mirror.
Good. And our next shape is crescent. That is the familiar shape. Now let's check that whether Fatma could find the crescent shape in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find the crescent shape?
Yes, let me try. Yes, I found it. It decreases outside the window.
Good. And our next shape is semicircle. Now let's check that whether Fatma could find the semicircle shape in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find the semicircle?
Yes, I will search for it. Yes, I found it. Semicircle is up this door.
Good. And our next shape is hexagon. It has 6 sides. Now let's check that whether Fatma could find the hexagon shapes in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to find the hexagon shape in this room?
Yes. Let me try. I found it. There it is.
Good. And our next shape is cone shape. Now let's check that whether Fatma could recognize this shape in this picture or not. Fatma, can you help us to find the cone shape in this picture?
Yes, I have already found it. It is the birthday cake. It is like round shape.
Good. And our next shape is pentagon. Now let's check that whether Fatma could recognize this shape in this room or not. Fatma, can you help us to recognize the pentagon shape in this room?
Yes, on the football. I have easily found the pentagon shape in football.
Okay, very good, Fatma. Now here is a test for you that whether you can guess the shape in this video or not. Fatma, tell us that which of the shapes you can find in this video. Look at carefully.
Okay, I am ready. Let me try. I have found 2 shapes in this video. One is a rectangle cabin of truck, and other is the circle shape of tire.
Very good, Fatma. You have done really well. Now look at another picture and tell us that which of shapes you can search from it.
It is not difficult for me. I have learned a lot of shapes. One is triangle, one is star shape, and one is semicircle shape.
Very good, Fatma. You have done really well. You have learned all the shapes. Now let's repeat with us.
Square, circle, rectangle, triangle. Diamond, pentagon, hexagon, star, heart, and crescent. Dear kids, follow me to learn more. Thank you. Meet you again.